Hi everyone, welcome back to Talkin' Tools. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Alex, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this guy, the Makita coffee maker. Is that real or is that a joke? Let's find out. So here we are, we're going to make a coffee. I've got all the different parts of the machine all washed and dried and ready to test it out. I'm going to use an 18 volt battery, which I've got here. So first I'll connect that. Right. In there, take my little cup of water, turn that around. Right, so everything's ready. Let's time it, see how long it takes, and check it out. Let's go. Just going to start this at the same time. This part here is for some kind of like coffee bag or coffee pod, as Makita call it, which I don't really understand. I've seen the picture on the box and I've never seen a pod for sale that's kind of like that. So I'm not really sure where to get those or what they are. So we're sticking with the traditional way, just putting the ground coffee and using it like a drip machine. So let's keep going. Okay, I'm almost at 4 minutes now, and you can really start to smell the coffee being brewed, which is quite nice. It reminds me of a kitchen in the morning before work or something, but you can have this anywhere, on site with you. Let's keep going. Okay, it's just hit 5 minutes, and the little light is flashing, which I'm pretty sure tells me that it's done. I'm going to stop it there, but it was really more like around 5 minutes that it finished, which is exactly what it said it would be in the instruction manual. Oh, well done. Ooh. Check it out, hot coffee. Voila, pretty good. Let's summarize. Well, it works. It makes a coffee. It makes one coffee at a time, and it does it very well. I think the first obvious thing I would say about it is it's great to use. You get that coffee aroma, you know, whole coffee experience, brewing it, and you have that anywhere on site, wherever, remote locations, camping, fishing. So that's, you know, probably its best asset. It's made nicely. Plastics are good. It seems really, you know, sturdy and well made. Battery options, excellent, no matter what sort of current Makita tools you have and use. It also has a 5-year warranty in Australia, which is really good for a coffee machine. I don't think there'd be many out there that have got anything like that. And, you know, it could be a great gift idea for someone who is into the outdoors or a tradesperson who's into coffee. And that's where it starts to change a bit, in my opinion. Now, the person who's going to use this a lot varies. I think that a lot of people who bought this maybe then wouldn't get to use it much, or would just forget about having it. People who don't have access to like coffee shops, service station, electricity, you know, people working in remote locations, you know, or in remote areas, would get probably a lot better use out of it than people like myself who work in areas I have access to, you know, coffee shop, hot water in the workplace. You know, you can just make coffee easily other ways. If you don't have those things, then this could be very useful for you. Maintaining it though, you're gonna need to keep it clean, because I imagine, you know, carrying it around in toolbox, work van kind of thing, it could get dirty and start, you know, not working well, tasting bad, all that stuff really quickly. So you're gonna wanna stay on top of those things, definitely. And I think, yeah, it's something that's fun. It's not for everyone. It's a good little unit. It's definitely not a joke. It is a little bit silly, but yeah, it's fun using it. And I've had fun using it. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this and getting, hopefully, some information about whether it's right for you or not. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up there. And thanks again for watching Talking Tools. We'll see you next time.